Marcus, I love you!
Do you want to meet the band? This is Marcus, comes from the farm. He's very sexy. That mum's me.
I love you!
Later. Yeah? Here's Bo Golden. Say hello. That's Dave. Nobody really cares about Dave. Here's Andrew Flowers. Both hello. And Ben, was it? Graham Woods. And we have Anita as well, we've kind of lost her. You have to take that shit off, so and this is Reece mastin from Adelaide.
We love you, Reece!
Here for Dave. Dave forever. Marcus over there got his first fan tattoo yesterday. A fan put Marcus on their arm. It's pretty cool. Would you guys like to get to know Reece a little bit, maybe?
Yes!
We might do a bit of Q&A. How do you feel about that? Sarah, do any of you have any questions you might like to ask Reece?
Yes.
Oh, you were like head of the class. You were straight up.
Hey Maddie, can I put Thursday through the folds? Sorry.
That's Anita's mic.
I've been here with the
The gong, mate. The gong.
Marcus is sexy.
How are we doing, gongs? Alright, so Reece, we've got some questions for you, mate. Alright, shoot. Alright, what's your name?
Bailey,
Bailey with a B. Okay, Bailey, what's your question for Reece?
can you please take your top off?
Tonight it's going to happen. It's very so it will happen. We'll see if we can get Marcus off as well.
Favorite value so far.
You guys dancing off.
Wave over here. Reece, wave over here.
Next. Alright, does anyone else have any questions for Reece? Oh, here we go. What's your name first?
Jess,
Hello, Jess.
can I have a guitar pick?
Can you have a guitar pick? That can be arranged.
There you go, you ask and you shall receive.
I think I just chipped my other tooth. By the way.
Maybe too.
Stop doing that.
No, that's good. Here, Fuzzy. Goodbye.
There you go, Jess.
Can I already did it. Just on
Got Reece mastin on it. Alright, we're going to get down here. What's your name, love?
Soraya.
Ooh, Soraya. Good name. It's a good name. Unusual, different. What's your question, Soraya?
Where's your favourite place that you've performed so far?
So far, Newcastle. Newcastle's pretty coming off. But we heard that Wollongong's a bit great. So it's going to happen.
You guys could out to Newcastle. Down the end here, what's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie. And what's the question for Reece?
What do you like to do with your free time?
Sleep. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Sleep and eat. Swear you sleep like 18 hours a day. That's okay, back here we were. There we are. Okay, the back there. What's your name?
Maybe Lee.
Yeah, what's that? Amy Lee.
What's your favourite colour?
Favourite colour? Black.
That's a colour.
Can I please have a bandana?
My bandana. It's actually a canteen bandana. I'm going to be freaking clothesless by the end of this. There you go. It smells real bad.
Ooh, yeah, that's got the scent of Reece, that's for sure. Hang on, we've got to ask some people who haven't asked the question yet. Okay, what's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla. How old are you, Kayla? 10. What's your t-shirt say? Kayla. That's a custom t-shirt. Do you make that? That's pretty cool. Well done. Okay, Kayla, what's your question?
Can you sign these for me?
Can I sign these for you?
Well, she's made a custom t-shirt, mate.
Okay, we'll do that one.
Alright, we go. I'll need this one, because if we do everyone, we'll be here all day. Alright, very good. Who else has a Reece question? I'm down here. Ooh, that was cool. Hello, what's your name?
Gabby.
Gabby. And Gabby, what's your question for Reece?
You're covering the
Oh,
camera.
hang on. You know, wait, we got a crowd reaction here. I'll come back and grab that one, mate. Just put it down there.
I got you.
So Gabby here has a question. She's been saving up.
Why are you so sexy for?
Why am I so sexy? That's really good grammar.
You have to thank Reece's parents.
My parents.
Yeah, they're both
I
very sexy.
think these two have got the sex appeal over me.
Marcus.
Just a little bit. But I'd also like to point out that Dave, these girls are wearing the same shirt as you. Therefore, I feel like you should maybe give them a photo or a drumstick.
Is that true? Is there actual Dave t-shirts?
Give me two of your drumsticks.
Oh, no, very good, very good. I had a couple of questions at the end here. Oh, hello, what's your name? Is it Elsie? Chelsea! Hey, Chelsea. How old are you, Chelsea? You're 9! Welcome to the Reece Mastin extravaganza. What have you got with you there? What's your favourite food?
Sushi.
My favourite food is broccoli.
Yum.
Not even kidding right now.
Is that for Reece?
Is that for me?
Oh, Chelsea, look at that.
You got me in my stuff. Chocolates as well.
Do you know we are actually...
I dropped my chocolates.
Hang on, we'll get there. There we go. Don't forget me, mate. We'll eat them later.
Thank you.
Do you know, Chelsea, we're actually collecting soft toys on the bus. We're making a big soft toy collection on the tour bus, and that is the best one we've got so far. Thank you, Chelsea. Yeah, mate.
These are for the two Nirvana girls from Dave.
Oh, very good. Wow. Let's give them to anyone. Where's my Nirvana girls? Nirvana, there we go. That was you and you.
See,
yeah, that's from Dave.
So is Dave wearing a girl's shirt or are they wearing boy shirts?
All right, so what else do we have down here? Question right here. What's your name? Andy? Indy. How you doing, Indy? And what's your question?
My favourite song on this album or in general?
Like favourite song by you or favourite song by other people?
By me.
Your favourite song of yours.
Ooh, addictive.
Addictive, yes.
Kind of sexy.
Mine's Give Up Girl. I love that song.
Those are the girl,
But she wasn't asking.
but she didn't ask me that.
Okay, cool. Time for a couple more questions. What's your name?
Michaela.
Michaela. How are we going? And what's your question?
What made you become a singer?
I wasn't very good at anything else.
I can confirm that.
I kind of carried this one, you know? A model. Props now.
Too short.
I'm a midget.
Alright, a few people haven't asked questions before. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Hello, what's your name?
I got something for me.
Oh, you got something from Reece. How did you bring it? That's really cool. Mate, you should wear that. There we go. Oh, whoops, hang on.
Reece can't catch.
See, not very good at it.
Here we go.
Thank you, honey.
That's beautiful. What's... nice one. That's pretty cool. She like, oh. No, not.
You're not going to repeat that one?
Not repeating that one. Okay, cool. Couple more questions down the front here. What's your name?
Chelsea.
Chelsea, another Chelsea. What's your name? What question you got for us?
If you went to a zoo, what's your favourite animal?
I like the monkeys. So they got peed on one by one.
I wish that was on video.
It's not. It's not going to happen, bro. But yeah,
awesome.
all like those hippo things, they're pretty sick.
Those hippo things.
The weirdest questions come out of huh?
You mean hippopotamuses?
Yeah, those.
Yeah, those ones, yeah.
Love you, Reece.
Love you.
Okay, couple more quick questions. All right.
Well, I have two questions.
Oh, two.
Number one is, do you have like a topic or anything that you can?
We've given out. We've kind of given out.
I've got like 5 left for the rest of the tour. I'll tell you what, can you give me one of Mark's topics?
No,
I don't have many left.
Let's take a touch at hey, big boss. And he's sure that we're out. He's sure that we're giving away our quota. We have one more.
Can I have a hug?
Never hug. I'm actually not allowed to come down here. The security guards told me I wasn't allowed. That's pretty mean. That's
Tell you what, if you do the meet and greet after that, then you.
Oh yeah, there's a meet and greet.
There's a meet and greet after that. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Why do I get the feeling I'm going to regret this? Okay, what is your name? Rihanna. Competition.
Can you please take a selfie of yourself on my phone?
I think we could probably make that.
Probably do that. First, get your skinny ass up here.
Here we go. Selfie time.
Hey, come over here. I have a selfie. Ready? Kiss my cheek. Oh, that was cute. I look like a monkey a little bit, but that's alright. That way. You can just crop me.
There you go. All right, one last question we got time for. Right down the end here. There you are. Two questions. Okay, here we go. Which is later.
First one is the making tattoos.
Of all of them. I know. And my few hidden ones that nobody knows about, I will not explain. That one's my nana, because I love her. That one is a swallow, it says Forever Flying Name on it, because that's what I do. That's my favourite album, which is Upside of Destruction. That is a microphone, and that is what I do. The clock is the exact time I was born. It's kind of like a reminder of, like, don't waste the time you got here. That's Jack Skellington, because he's awesome. That's my favourite quote ever. And the last one that I can tell you about are my knuckles, they say restless, because I struggle to stand still.
It's true. Yes, that's good. Is it true that you've got a Turkish delight wrapper tattooed on your bum?
I'm a bum.
Yeah.
No, I do have a bum tattoo, but not a Turkish delight
I
wrapper.
want to let us see it. Alright, I think that's about it, guys. Guys, thank you so much for coming down to the soundcheck party. So I think we've got organisers, so you guys are all going to be up the front tonight, yeah?
Yeah!
So,
And I'm counting on you guys, right, to show me how crazy Wollongong can really be. So if you see anybody standing still, give them a little bit of a...
that's it, you guys have to go doubly off. But thank you so much for coming down early, and we'll see you at the gig.
I have to leave, it's picking me off.
It's true, Reece has to go backstage and start getting ready. So thank you very much, guys. So we need you now to make your way very, very slowly back towards these guys. All walking, no running. We'll see you a bit later during the show.